Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So in this video we will install Python. That is the language and the program that we will use in our course. Okay, so first you have to go to your browser like so. Okay, and then just type python.org like so. Okay, and you can see downloads here. Okay, and just install the latest version, which is for now is 3.13.7. Just click that. It will save for you. Okay, now that we are done, you can see this is your program. Just double click that. Okay, bismillah. There you go. Okay, so this is your installation windows. Okay, don't forget to check all of these, two of them. Okay, use admin privilege when installing py.exe and add python exe to path. This is very important. Okay, install now after this. Okay. Okay. Okay, just click yes. Okay, setup was successful. Alhamdulillah. Okay, now we can just close this. Okay. Okay, now you can open your command prompt. Okay, let's see if you have like this one, command prompt. Okay, if you still have to open from the search, then you have to say cmd. Okay, so I just click this command prompt. Okay, okay, then let's say if Python is installed correctly, just click type like this Python. Okay, okay, so this means it's good, so it is installed. You can say exit with the parenthesis. Okay, that's good. Okay, now the first thing is done. Now we'll install install Thonny using pip. Okay, what you do still here, then what you do is just pip install Thonny like so. It will download the necessary files. Good. Okay, so this is done now. But you need to find the Thonny and where's this, and we will create a shortcut for it in the desktop. Okay. Okay, just clean the desktop. Let's see CLS. Okay, that's good. Okay, can I say where? I should make it bigger. Okay, where Python. Ah, is there? Okay. So you need to go to this folder here. You can use the Explorer if you want. Okay, let's say Explorer space dot something like that. Enter. It will open the Explorer for you. Okay, it was in the app data, right? App data local programs. Python, there we go, Python 313. Okay, as you can see here. And there are scripts here. Okay, this is where the Thonny is living. Okay, I think should be there. Thonny somewhere. Okay, there we go. So that is your Thonny, right? You want to create shortcut for this one. Okay, so what you do, you right click using this one. Right click, you just say copy, just like that. And in the desktop, like here, you don't forget to paste shortcut, this one. Okay, paste shortcut, not this one, but this one, paste shortcut. Okay, so that is your shortcut for Thonny. Let's double click that. Okay, so this is your Thonny running on Python 3.13. Okay, we can make it bigger. Okay, for example, 4 times that like that and screen that. Okay, and I think that is all for Thonny. You can close this. Also, this is done. We'll install Jupyter using pip. Okay, let's do just that. As before, you can say pip install notebook. Okay, like that, and it will install the Jupyter for you. May take a while. Okay. So Python, Thonny, and Jupyter. Okay. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.